And by the way, this coffee right here is just like 8 euros. 8 euros. Bro, how much was that?
The same. 8 euros. But that was free.
Yeah, yeah. They gave us some chocolate for free, so I guess it's worth it. Typical day here in Paris. It's not raining though, so I'm not complaining, but there is kind of no sun. And I'm actually here in Paris for I'm here for a couple of reasons, but I'm here for one main reason. It's because I really need to make a lot more progress in the next books that I'm writing. I've made a lot of progress in it, but for some reason, like my favorite authors, Paulo Coelho, listened to an interview with Tim Ferriss. They've all come to Paris to find inspiration to write. So I'm actually here to get a lot of writing done, make some progress so I can have this book out, available for you guys. This is one of the biggest projects, one of the things I'm probably most proud of doing, something that can affect everyone and help all of you guys. So that's the main reason I'm here. Might be meeting up with some people that have maybe been in the vlog before, no guarantees. Still trying to get everything going. I haven't had a phone, as I told you from yesterday, kind of locked my SIM card out, but gonna try to make the best of it. But until then, want to walk around and enjoy Paris and pray that it doesn't rain. Metros in Paris. Wow, and I must say, out of all the places I've ever been, it's the metro in Paris where I feel like no one's ever happy, no one is ever excited to take. It's the metro in Paris. It's a little crazy. I came to like a little bit of a, I'm not sure what it's called. Not premonition, just a realization. I'm sorry for the wind, by the way. Don't have anything to block the wind, but you know, I'm used to Barcelona. You know, I keep saying Paris, man, it's not the same. It's not Barcelona. And I gotta be like, you're right. It's not Barcelona. So treat it not like Barcelona. Stop comparing it to Barcelona. Treat it like Paris and enjoy it for what it is, not for what it's not. To give me the energy that I'm gonna need until I can find a nice place to get a coffee and get some work done finally. You know, I'm in these places, like these tourist kind of places so much. I realize that whenever I'm here, even if I'm here like every day for like a month straight, I think I'm always gonna be a tourist in Paris. Kind of weird because, you know, when I'm in places like this, people, especially when I'm traveling, I'm in like the main center, and if I'm there in the city for 4 or 5 days, I stay in the main center all the time. So just being here in Paris, I'm in the center, I'm in the Louvre, I'm here every time. Eiffel Tower right here, by the way. And I think one of the easiest ways for me to explain to people is, it's all like it's all like a dream to me. Like, I mean, maybe you guys see me in my daily life, or you see how things are going. It looks so easy and smooth, but at one time this was hard. This is the life that I have now, and that I'm able to share and inspire you guys by using, was something that I never even thought of. I never even dreamed of. So being in a place like Paris isn't just like, oh, I play for a French team and my teammates was like, why are you going to Paris all the time? Like, I'm a kid from Cleveland, Ohio, who played 2 years of basketball in high school, and you know, I never even thought of playing pro or anything. And to have the opportunity that I have, playing basketball, and to be able to travel and see things, I always take advantage of it. I'll always be so thankful to be in big cities and be around people, and thankful for you guys. I think that's one reason why I'm really able to relate so much to people who kind of just can't see the future, can't see themselves doing this, or can't see themselves doing that, or never saw themselves doing that. And I think I relate so well because I was in that situation for so long, not knowing like if I would be able to do something. And thought of Australia. I never even thought about France. I never even thought about Poland. Like, I never even knew anything or met a person from there when I was growing up. So I guess in all the travels and all the things you guys see me do, I hope that I can be something like a beacon of something that is bigger than you, something that maybe you don't see possible now, but in the future it can be very possible for you guys. And you know, it's just a pleasure sharing the journey with you guys, and just sharing my perspective, and something I hope that will inspire you guys to do this here in 2019. And I kind of feel like, yeah, get a little bit of emotional. Can't have no emotion in the vlog. So yeah, no idea what's next. Gonna take enough time here to relax. And this is the cafe Paulo Coelho talked about, one of his books, and this is the cafe that I pictured Tim Ferriss talking about. Maybe it's not open, but this is the one. So this place is really nice. Not sure of the name. It's called the Lulu Cocktail. This is exactly what I was looking for, a place where I could just work. And actually it's perfect because actually this whole outside area is closed, inside is open, but the people were nice enough. Manager was super, thank you so much, sir. The manager and the staff were so nice, and they said I could come out here and have a drink at least. So we're gonna order a drink, chill, relax, get some writing, get some work done, and this is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly. View of the tour, view of the Eiffel Tower, and a nice drink, and working on something that will help you guys. Okay, so just leaving that restaurant, definitely highly recommend that place, Lulu. It is a little bit expensive, but worth it. Service was amazing. Met some pretty cool people there, believe it or not, sitting out there while I was working. But right now I have a little bit of time till I gotta head to an important meeting I told you about. So thinking maybe I'm gonna try to walk, sorry for the wind, gonna try and walk down to the river just to see the river while the sun is told you guys, I think I probably told you guys plenty of times, well, I haven't had the opportunity to because the sun hasn't been out. But when the sun is out, Paris, absolutely beautiful city. finally now arriving at Starbucks where this meeting will be taking place. Professional place. Wow. Après,
je me suis dit, t'es pas là souvent, donc ce serait con de...
Okay, quick change of plans. Not in Starbucks. Too many people. Too hot. Too like this. New change of place. You want to introduce yourself and everything, bro?
I'm from Syria. I beat him in one-on-one some months ago. Because I'm taller, I'm bigger than him, so I beat him.
Hey, you guys remember the one-on-one? Hoop City. Tell you. All right. All right, bro. Ciao. Man, Hoop City, man. We had a great talk. A lot of things coming up in the future, but a lot of things coming up in the near future. I got a lot of things cool planned that I can't wait to share with you guys on his channel, which I'll link below. He's gonna be working on some cool things. Make sure you check out his podcast too. So happy to hear that he has started a podcast as well. I'm so excited for what that holds. Like I say, I'll link his podcast below. My podcast is already linked below. Great to see you, Hoop City. I'll see you again soon, bro. And now it's a little bit late here in Paris, but I don't think the day is finished yet. Not sure exactly where I'm going or where I need to go. I think actually, quick stop back here at Starbucks. A lot less people here now, a lot less cooler inside. And by the way, another thing I do whenever I go to Starbucks and they ask what my name is, I never say Luke, always say Spartacus. Always brings a smile, and then when they call my name, it always makes everyone makes everyone smile finally. But yeah, need some coffee. So I don't know if you guys remember, but the last time I was here in Paris, I kind of told you guys about this kind of little secret cafe place that there's not a lot of tourists, a lot of people don't know about it. It's actually on the other side. Merci. It's actually on the other side of the Eiffel Tower. And the name of the place is called New York, and it's like they have a nice terrace. You can see where I am right now. You have this, and you have the view of the Eiffel Tower right there. I've never seen more than 10 people here, and it's kind of like the best view. This is kind of where I think I'm gonna probably end the vlog. A very productive day. Got a couple more chapters done in the book, which I'll talk about in a future video coming up. Really excited for it at the same time. Really excited about the ideas that I talked with Hoop City. More to come about that later on. We actually did a vlog a couple months ago, almost a year ago, and I just found the footage, so I'll put that up later on as well. But I want to thank you guys for kind of joining me on this journey and this day, and a lot of things going on, but it's a pleasure. And you know, speaking with Hoop City today really got me thinking about the importance of explaining the how. Like, I don't want to just always be trying to show you guys cool things. I'm here. It's really important to know the how and how I'm able to do a lot of things. So like I say, not sure about the daily, but getting back to showing more of the day in the life, not just highlights of when I'm here, when I'm there, when I have a game, but showing you guys how that kind of stuff is possible, because there's a lot of value in that, I believe. But on that note, waiting for my food, gonna relax. Hopefully the Eiffel Tower will light up while I'm sitting here eating. That would be perfect. Want to wish you guys a great day, morning, afternoon, wherever you guys are. Podcast crew as well, thank you guys. Special shout out to you all, and I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.